Hey family, what have we here? Hot honey wings, just in time for the big game or any party or anytime you just want a good wing. All right, we're gonna show you how to make these hot honey wings right here in Calibama Cooking. I can't wait, they're delicious. I've already tried them, okay? And one thing, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so. Go down there, hit the subscribe button and press the bell so you're notified every time there's a new video. Let's go make some wings. Today, we're going to be making hot honey wings. These are perfect for any time you're doing any kind of gathering. We're getting ready for Super Bowl right now, so I wanted to kind of give you something new. All right, we're starting off here with some chicken wings. I've got the party pieces, they call them party wings. Yes, I couldn't remember for a second. We're going to season these up and we're going to cook these in the air fryer, okay? Because you know the air fryer is everything in my world. All right, we're going to put some garlic powder on here. And then we're going to also add some chili powder. And I know you're wondering, Lori, how much do I put on there? Listen for the ancestors, okay? Seriously. Now this is some cayenne pepper. I'm not gonna put a ton on there, but I am gonna put some on there because the thing with the hot honey is you got that balance between the sweet and the heat, you know what I mean, going on. But you don't just want it in the honey. I also want it on the wing itself, you know, a little flavor on the wing. A little bit of salt on there, okay? And we're gonna add some freshly cracked black pepper. Okay, now if you feel like the ancestors told you to stop, then you stop. If you don't think they said it, don't stop. What I'm gonna do is mix these around just to get everything coated in this good seasoning. And if I feel it needs more color, I'm listening for the ancestors. Speak. Speak. Okay, they told me to put more garlic powder on. Okay. They definitely told me no more cayenne because I was gonna hurt somebody, starting with myself, and a little more chili powder. Now listen, chili powder does not make your food hot. Chili powder is an actual spice, so it gives it a flavor. And when you put salt in there with it, it's actually really good. I found it does a lot of wonderful things. Okay, our wings are all ready, seasoned up. We're gonna put them now in our air fryer, about 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Into the air fryer. All right, now that our wings are in the air fryer for about a good 15 minutes, we're gonna flip them over and cook them about 10 more minutes. We're gonna start on the hot honey sauce. I'm so excited about this part. Okay, we're gonna start by melting some butter. Okay, now you don't have to make so much sauce that your wings are swimming in hot honey sauce. I mean, if you want to, you can, but it's really not necessary. I think you just want it to be like a nice glaze coat on there. Woo! There. Okay, you're gonna start with some butter. I've already got the heat going to melt this down. And what we're gonna add to this hot honey sauce is really as simple as it sounds, okay? We're gonna add some honey, okay? See here. And the honey and the butter together. I love when honey and butter melt together because it just makes the honey a little more friendly. I mean, honey's already, you know, ooey gooey and stuff and things, but then when you put the butter with it, it gets like, hey, you know, I'm honey. I'm gonna just go ahead and bring this to a little bit of a simmer. You can bring it up to a boil if you need to or if it happens to, but you don't have to boil it per se. You really just want this to all come together and simmer nicely, okay? So I'm just gonna keep stirring here. All right, now that our butter is just about fully melted, we're gonna add the hot sauce, which is what makes it hot. Now I'm using Crystal hot sauce because that's what we use in my family. Some people, a lot of people like Texas Pete, you know, and there's some other kinds out there that y'all eat. Tell me, what kind of hot sauce do y'all like? Tell me down below in the comments. I'm curious. My mama has always used Crystal, and so that's why I use Crystal. If it's good enough for my mama, it's good enough for me. But I want to find out what you guys use so that I can, you know, maybe switch it up a little bit. Maybe I'll sneak something in on her and she won't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It might work, it might not. If it don't work, I'm gonna tell her it was y'all. Now, if you want it hotter, add more hot sauce. If you don't want it as hot, add less. We started it with about 3/4 cups of honey and 1/4 cup of hot sauce. But listen, if y'all like to have your mouth on fire and stuff, don't let me stop you, okay? Now we're gonna give this just a little taste. Let it cool for a second because this is when I usually do something and embarrass myself. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. Now you see how it's just now, oh yeah, starting to boil. I'm going to turn it off, set it aside, and we're just gonna wait for our wings to finish. And when our wings finish, we will toss them. Ooh, oh my God, the hot sauce got me. Okay, it needs just a little more dash, I'm gonna be honest. Okay, there. Just a little bit. That was just a dash. Okay, and look at that. Ooh, man, that looks so good. All right, as soon as the wings come out, first we're gonna flip them, then they're gonna take them out when they're done cooking, put them in a nice clean bowl, and we're gonna toss them around. Well, our wings are done in the air fryer. Look at these beauties. I'm gonna go ahead and put them into a separate bowl. I'm gonna get ready to toss them with our hot honey sauce. And now we're gonna go with this hot honey sauce. This is the part we've all been waiting for. All right, I'm just gonna take a spoon and start by spooning it over and then do some mixing action. Look at this. Look at that. Oh. That's the hot honey sauce we're talking about. And the butter has thinned out the honey in such a way that it can really just easily flow on the wings. So I put a good amount on there. Now we're gonna toss. My house is a saucy house. I'm sure that's not hard to believe. So I'm gonna add some more. And if you have some left over, you can always just put it in the side on a little bowl, and then your guests or whoever can have some to dip their wing in if they want a little bit more, all right? You can also do this with tenders for those who aren't wing eaters. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, man. I'm scared. I am. Oh, that's good. Because of the honey, the heat gets you on the back end. Oh my God, this is so good. All right, I gotta plate these before I eat them all because these things are dangerous. All right, thanks for joining me. Remember, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please do so. Hit the button and press the bell so you're notified every time there's a new video. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time right back here in the Love Lab for more Calibama cooking with me, Chef Lorious. Happy cooking.